Hi, my name's Iskra, and I'm an application development and service engineer for WaveLabs solar metrology systems. We're a company based out of Leipzig in Germany, and we're in the game of testing solar cells and modules. So what that means is a whole bunch of different measurements or characterization tests that we can do to understand the performance and efficiency of a solar cell or a solar module. So one of our products we've got right here, this is the S70 Advanced. This is our baby small tester, mostly early stage R&D solar cells. And we can step that up all the way to our biggest tester here. On the top there is our production module. Production model on the bottom is our advanced model, which is focused on research and development. We can image or test solar modules up to industrial sizes and larger. So yeah, that's what we do, solar cell and module testing, all the way from tiny little cells up to straight off the manufacturing line, big industrial modules. One of the requirements, it's an IEC standard, is to be able to do a performance test on a solar module and get the nameplate rating. So the way that you determine the power to sell your product, you need to use one of these systems to test that indoors. The big metrics that come out are peak wattage of the modules, but also module efficiency. Less so module efficiency, but more solar cell efficiency is important. But these are kind of benchmark tests that every manufacturer requires. So it's kind of a necessity in the industry. If you're talking about R&D, you need these kind of tests to understand what performance the cell or the module that you're creating is putting out. So as a metric to check everything in your research and development, really. And because, for example, a system like this can be integrated with all sorts of other different measurements that can give you a bigger picture of how your solar cell or your product is performing. And that's highly valuable for things like creating digital twins and being able to simulate solar cells and modules to then help your research and development. Highly essential and adds so much value to being able to perform those digital twin and kind of high-level simulations. If you're interested, you can go to our website. It's wavelabs.de, and that way you can request a product brochure and one of our sales engineers will get in contact with you with all the information you need.